Boys, I'm up in New Hampshire today. We got called in. This is a big plant over here. This is a low temp freezer unit for a test chamber. Big walk-in. They were having problems here. They got this thing under nitro. There's two in-house guys here. They couldn't find a leak. There's a very, very slow leak going on in this, so they called us in to find out what's going on here. They got everything isolated. Everything's been holding except for this high side over here. If we go around, you can see you got everything isolated off here on this ball valve and here. So we know the leak was in the compressor area. They wanted to get another set of eyes in here to find a leak. Everything else is holding. They got gauges all over the place on this thing. Everything is good, except what I found. I started looking around here. You see this? Look at that. Right there. That cap's got a crack in it. You can't see it, but it's got a hairline crack. This is where they're losing their pressure. I don't know why they didn't find it, but they must have been probably just going nuts because they couldn't, they're looking everywhere trying to find this thing, and sometimes it just happened. They said they wanted to get another set of eyes in here. But that's where our leak is. It's that cap of that straight is bad in there too, so we'll figure that out and get it fixed for them. They're gonna do all the rest of the work, I guess, get it charged up and do all that, but I just want another set of eyes in here to look for a leak. Sometimes, guys, that's why you need help. Sometimes you can't find everything yourself. This stuff gets confusing. You can see all the stuff here. There's valves and just fittings everywhere. You know, so I don't blame them if they were having trouble, because this stuff happens. And I say that because these two guys here are running around ragged all the time. They got these two guys trying to take over, take care of over 100 condensing units in this place all the time. Not even to mention the HVAC stuff. They're probably just overworked, and they're gonna miss some things because they got them running around here like crazy with all kinds of problems here all the time. This place is enormous. It's a big plant. They make some type of like telecom wiring and communications cables and all kinds of stuff like that. So hopefully they'll be happy we found this, and we'll see where we go from here. See if I stay to start this up with them, or if that's all they brought me in for, to find this leak. I don't know, but we'll go from there and I'll let you know. New caps on, that's it, guys. For now, that's all I'm doing here, is to find the leak and that. It's all good. So, pretty easy one for me, which was nice. These guys are gonna let it sit on nitro for another day or two, and then vacuum it, charge it, get it running. Their guys will take care of all that. So, I was saying earlier, sometimes all you need is another set of eyes on things. So just to end the video, guys, you can see that was very easy to find that leak. I mean, I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but it took me like 10 minutes to find that. But those poor guys there were going nuts trying to find it. And it's nothing that was their fault. It's because they're getting run around that place with units going down all over the place, and they can't take the time to concentrate on one. You know, I've had things like that, and you start going crazy, and you overlook the little things. You got to remember in this trade that it's, I'd say 7, 8 out of 10 times, it's the simple thing. It's like back to basics, you know. My old boss, one of the guys I learned from, I worked for an old timer way back when I started, and he taught me the old school way and the new school way, and he was always like, Chris, you've got to go back to the basics, man, you know, just easy stuff. Look for that first. But we get so involved in thinking, oh, it's going to be this or this real hard thing, and we're all looking for that, or a leak in this crazy spot, when sometimes they're right in front of your face. So that's the point I was just trying to make. Always stick with the basics first, guys. Start with that stuff and then get into more advanced stuff if you have to. You know what I mean? But hope everyone's having a good day, and as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.